With me to get my $2,500 security deposit back. I don't even know where to begin. This place is a disaster, but I'm gonna start with an energy drink because Lord knows I need it. If you missed my previous videos, we're moving across the country from Washington State to Florida. They are literally at opposite ends of the country. James has already hit the road and is in the U-Haul with all of our belongings, and I'm back here tying up some loose ends. We lived here for 2 years. We rented this house because we didn't know where we wanted to move. It was a new housing complex, and we were the first people to live in this house, which I'm so grateful for. But wonder how they're going to determine normal wear and tear versus where orangutan monkeys living here. Everything left in our house now is either trash or donations, but we could not figure out why there was a Ziploc bag with dirt in it on our counter until I realized, yep, that's my dad. Miss you, glad I didn't toss you. It's actually quite interesting seeing all of the things that you accumulate over the years when you live somewhere and then having to move out and discover it all. Like my blood work that I've been searching for, you guys. Triglycerides? Should I be concerned? Am I okay? Speaking of health, I also found all of these amazing sodas to try. I'm also sad that I can no longer just toss my Amazon boxes into the garage and they're retrieved by a magical unicorn, aka my husband. So missed that. Very disappointing. We gave away over half of our stuff and it feels so good. We gave an entire truckload to Ukrainian refugees who needed help. Thank you guys for your ideas. The remainder items, we tried Salvation Army but struck out. We tried another Goodwill location, struck out, and then finally we found one that took the last few things. We then had to take down Kenzie's beautiful wallpaper in her room. She wanted to take the reins, and of course she was climbing it like a monkey, which resulted in this, but don't worry, she's okay. She is an agile girl, and she helped me so much and had the best attitude. And for anyone on the fence about having kids, let this be your sign. Do it. Free labor, am I right? For all intents and purposes, that is a joke. We got to mopping, and this bucket is amazing, the O-Cedar mop bucket. I am obsessed. It's so satisfying, and I had my own Cinderella to help me out. But homegirl quickly clapped back and said, labor laws, mom, I'm taking my 15. So I took over vacuuming, trying to get rid of any evidence of fur in this house. I can't get into the details of what that means. You can read between the lines, but this is an active crime scene, and we're trying to get all of our money back. I don't know who I think I'm trying to fool, because I'm not even feeling hopeful I'm going to get any money back, let alone $2,500 back. But if you guys have any tips or tricks of how to do that, please let a girl know. We have done everything we know how to get this house ready, and honestly, our king, Lil Jon, said it best: from the window to the walls to the sweat drip down my balls. That is how I feel. We are cleaning everything, deep cleaning the fridge, the oven, the toilets, you name it, we're doing it. And that's basically a wrap on this house, my friends. I sprayed some room freshener for good measure. I want them to walk in and be gasped, wondering if anyone ever lived here. But I'm gonna miss this house. So many good memories, but new ones to come.